In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Shopify affiliate program. Whether you're looking to expand your income streams or simply share a platform you love, joining the Shopify affiliate program is a great way to start. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you need to head over to the Shopify affiliates page. This will be your starting point. So open up your browser and type in Shopify Affiliate Marketing Program in the search bar, or navigate directly if you have the link. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option that says Apply or Join Now. This is typically highlighted to grab your attention. Go ahead and click that button to kick off your application process. Next, you'll be taken to an application form that you need to complete. This is where you'll provide your personal or business information. It's important to fill in all the required fields accurately to avoid any issues later on. You'll also be asked to list the platforms where you plan to promote Shopify. This could be your website, social media pages, blog, or even a YouTube channel. The goal here is to give a clear picture of how and where you'll be promoting Shopify products to your audience. As part of the application, you'll need to describe your referral strategy. Think about how you plan to introduce Shopify to your audience. Will it be through informative content, perhaps an online course, or maybe detailed reviews? Provide as much detail as possible to bolster your application. Remember, you're essentially pitching your ability to bring value to both Shopify and potential customers. Before you hit submit, make sure you review the affiliate terms and conditions. This is crucial as it outlines all the rules and expectations, making sure you're on the same page with Shopify. Once you agree to these terms, you can finally submit your application. After submitting, it's time to play the waiting game. Shopify will review your application, and this process might take just a few days. They often use a tracking system called Impact to manage applications efficiently, so keep an eye on your inbox for a notification. You'll be informed whether your application has been approved or rejected. Once you get the green light and your application is approved, you'll gain access to the affiliate dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. In the dashboard, you'll find your unique affiliate links, creative assets for your promotions, and even tracking data to monitor your success. Keep in mind that Shopify might also use Impact to manage these affiliate links, so familiarize yourself with that platform if necessary. And there you have it, the complete process for signing up for the Shopify affiliate program. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting your affiliate marketing journey with Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy promoting!